Here we go again. That 2-minute timer has started. Okay, so this is bowl lathering with soap. So, load your brush up with soap. Exactly the same as what you do when you're face lathering. You get that nice load of soap on the brush. So I just keep going until it's loaded to where I want it. And Cella is beautiful for this. It's such a lovely soap. The smell and everything about it. Okay, then a bowl with water in it, which you can just about see. Okay, so again, the bubbles are starting to come up quite big. Obviously I'm looking straight at them, not at the camera. There we are. And the same with all other bowl lathering. You just keep going until you've got nice fine bubbles and lather going everywhere. So yeah, I think that's very there. It holds on, in around the dry. And there we are, we've got another lather on. I think my face is a little bit dry. And the bubbles are still a little loose, but I only had 2 minutes to do the whole thing. But it has worked. I'd shave that lather. Again, the brush is loaded up ready for a couple of passes, if not 3 or 4 passes, and you can put it into the bowl and have extra lather everywhere. So it's literally exploded. And that's the 2 minutes of fun over. So I hope to see you again soon for another video.